thought I'd just start vlogging. Oh, what? I thought I'd just start vlogging, so here we go. I might put something back there because I don't want my phone to fall over and break. I have the worst luck with phones breaking on me. Edges, because there I go again. I literally put a tissue box at the back, which is so stupid because it's not really even going to hold the phone. Anyways, if I push it there, it might be better. Anywho, I'm literally just sitting here with my protein shake. Yum. It doesn't look that appealing. It's green with, and it's a brown green. It's not like a nice, vibrant green. It's a brown green. So the blueberries don't really blend properly. So it has chunks of like purplish stuff in it. But when you drink it, it's like so good. I guess I've been wanting to vlog for a while now, but I've never really done it because like put on the camera because I don't really have much to talk about. And I don't know, when I'm in front of the camera, I just turn really awkward and I don't really know what to say. By the way, the iPhone 13 camera, it is so good it hurts, because knowing that I've had the shittiest I shouldn't even say shittiest because Samsung's pretty good, but I've been a Samsung for just under 10 years. So in high school, I was obviously Apple. And then my best friend worked in a phone store and she was just like, oh, you should change over. Samsung's the best. And at that point, Samsung just came out with the S series. And I think she had the S2 and I had the S. So I waited a bit and I got the S3. I don't know, because I feel like the camera is the most important bit, because when you take photos with your camera, that's what you're really going to keep. You don't really keep the apps, you don't really keep the messages, all that stuff. It just really doesn't matter. But the quality of the photos is just kind of like, that's your memory bank. So to have good quality photos is like really all I personally care about. So when I switched over to the S3, I hated her for a good while. But then I got used to the interface. And I don't know, this year I just needed to change. I just wanted to change, and I'm so glad that I changed, because look who's up. Are you gonna give me attitude, girl? Can you go potty? Let's go potty. Yeah, let's go potty. That was nasty. Come on. Go potty. Oh, I didn't get a treat, and she knows it. There she runs off to go potty. Go on, go potty. And then she waits. Good girl. Shall we go inside? Wait. Wait. Yeah. Nova. Out. Nova, sit. Sit down. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Catch your bone. Bye. Oh, where's your ball? Go get your ball. We haven't been at the ball. You didn't get the ball again. You're so silly. Did you slide well? Come on. Ready? And fetch. Go get it. Oh, you seem tired still. You still seem a little tired. Oh, good girl. Oh. So the music doesn't play whilst I'm recording. That's kind of annoying. This is not the most flattering angle, but we will make do. So, no, I'm not allowed to have music and record at the same time. So I might have to get, like, I might have to use my camera then. Literally driving in silence, which I rarely do. But I'm on the way to a PT session. It's a little far out. It's like 35 minutes for me. That's okay.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is.
Alright, ready?
Wait, what are we doing?
Go play it.
Won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
Alright,
everyone to watch your glass.
no, what is going on here, buddy? Ready? You ready? Everyone, 3, 2, 1, start playing.
Don't need kisses, don't need kisses, baby, you could show me things. Don't need kisses, don't need kisses, don't need kisses, later you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Later you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Show me things. Is it? Is it? I don't need. Is it? Later you could show me things. Is it? Don't need kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she don't need kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she don't need kisses. Don't need kisses, don't need kisses, don't need kisses, baby, you can show me things. Don't need kisses.
Good job, everyone. on. Well done, man. Great work.
Thanks, Sonny. Thank you. She was my favourite so far.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's good.
Should we stretch? I feel like I should stretch.
I'm gonna love you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But every time I reach for you, baby, for you, baby, for you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna love you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Owie! Our favourite little mascot.
Oh my god, send me, because I really need to go like get a permanent person to cut my hair. Everyone keeps fucking it up. You know.
I'm really angry about like the fresh one.
Bye, Quinn. Thank you. Bye, Lyndon. I was about to ditch him. Bye.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.